Hello, my name is Chris. I'm with the Peak Havoc manufacturing team, and you bought a fire pit. Thank you for supporting us, but now let's put it together. First thing you want to do, grab the smaller base plate sides, two with the closed top and one with the open top. Piece it together. The reason the tops matter is because the square base plate comes underneath and this tab rests on the open end. Then you pick up the square and pinch it together. You add your linchpins. Now you add the last side. You want to get one side locked in and then hold up the whole base with your right or left hand. I don't discriminate. And while you are guiding in the side holes, you want to make sure this tab rests on top. Then it should lock in place. Now, grab the whole part that makes it a fire pit. You want to make sure the design's facing out or in. But most importantly, make sure these tabs go in the hole. The other side, with our beautiful logo, does not have a tab. So it just locks in there. And then side with your custom design, go in next. Now you do the last piece. Make sure it's all linked together. The next step does require you to tip it on its side to install the bottom linchpins. You're going to make sure all of your corners are linked up. Brush off your knees because it's dirty. And now you lift up from the base so that way you can see where the new linchpins go. Here and here. Now, slowly tip it back over. And now, you can take it anywhere. Yay!